Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful angel ornament using beads. To do this beautiful angel, I have used 4 different beads. One is white, one gold, one red color bead and one white bead, little bigger bead. Then a nylon wire. So now let's see how to do this beautiful angel ornament using beads. Take 1 gold and 9 white beads. So we have taken 9 beads. Next take 1 gold and 8 white beads. So after taking them it looks like this. Next you are going to do the crisscross method by inserting the other thread through these 8 white beads. So we'll be inserting through these 8 white beads. Join both the ends and you're going to pull. It looks like this. So for next round, take 1 gold bead in one side and in the other side 1 gold bead. Next in one side you're going to take 7 white beads. It looks like this. Next we are going to do the crisscross method by inserting the other end of the thread through this 7 white beads. We won't be inserting through the gold bead. We'll be inserting only through the 7 white beads. So we have finished the second round. We have to follow the same pattern by reducing 1 white bead in each round. That is, we'll be taking 1 gold bead in one side and the other side you are going to take 1 gold bead. Next, previous round we took 7 white beads. So this round we'll be taking 6 white beads. Next we will do a crisscross method through these white beads. We won't be inserting through the golden bead. Instead we'll be inserting the other side of the thread through the 6 white bead. So it looks like this. So we have to follow this pattern till you are done with 1 gold, 2 white and 1 gold. After doing them it looks like this. Next you have to follow the same pattern how we did before by inserting 1 gold in one side and another gold in the other side. Here the size of the bead will be different. That is, you are going to insert the bigger size bead. And now we are going to cross this white bead. So it looks like this. Next we are going to do the wings for this angel. For that, in this left hand side you are going to take 10 white beads. So we have taken 10 white beads. Next you are going to insert the thread which you have taken the bead through this center bead which was big and pull. So it looks like this. Same way you are going to do the other thread also. We will be taking 10 beads. After taking 10 beads, how we did the other side, same way we will insert it through this bigger bead. So after doing the wings, it looks like this. Next we are going to make the head and the crown. So for that, take any bead. So you are going to insert this bead through both the threads. It looks like this. Next you are going to take 10 beads. So we have taken 10 beads. Now we are going to cross this first bead and you are going to pull. It looks like this. Angel looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.